Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Man to me, he said a Vaishnava. He said, what kind of Vaishnava? Rascal you are. Nijjanana gharoi pratishtharatare. Simply for cheap adoration, you are living in a secluded place. Tava harinam keval koito. Your chanting of so-called Hare Krishna mantra is simply cheating. He has said. One must be ready very vigorously. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's also order. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never said that you chant. He has given certainly the chanting. But so far his mission is concerned, he says that every one of you become Guru. Amar Aggai Guru Haiya, deliver, preach, let people understand what is Krishna. Amar Aggai Guru Haiya Taro Haiya. Jare rakho tare kaho Krishna bole. Prithivite ache jato nagara. That is his mission. It is not that become a big Vaishnava and sit down and imitate. This is all rascal now. So don't follow this thing. So at least we cannot advise him in that way. We have learned from our Guru Maharaj that preaching is a very, very important thing. And when one is actually an experienced preacher, then he is able to chant Hare Krishna mantra without any offense. Before that, this so-called chanting of Hare Krishna mantra, you may practice without any offenses, as giving up all other business to make a show of a big Vaishnava. That is not required. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,